What's going on, guys? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of today's video, I had a question for all of my subscribers out there that are using the Robinhood app to make their trades. And for those of you guys that don't know, I'm personally a Fidelity Investments user. I use that for my long-term trades and my short-term trades that I've been making and documenting on this channel. And I've just been curious about Robinhood and just to understand and get some feedback from my subscribers on how your experience has been with this particular brokerage. And for those of you guys that don't know, Robinhood is a commissions-free brokerage, meaning that whenever you buy or sell a stock or an ETF, you don't pay a $4, $5, $6, $7 commissions fee for each of those trades. And I've been on Fidelity for the past couple of years, and I'm just interested in trying something new. And I'm going to be transferring most likely my trading funds from Fidelity over to Robinhood to try it out. And I just wanted to, engage my subscribers in this particular decision and pretty much ask you guys, how has your experience been with Robinhood? Do you guys like it? Do you guys dislike it? What are some features you like about it? What are some features you don't like about it? And do you think it's a good platform for trading? And for those of you guys that don't know, I'm a swing trader. Mostly, I don't really do too many day trades, maybe some here and there, but mostly for swing trading. What do you guys think about Robinhood? Do you think I'm going to like it? Just let me know in the comment section below. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just quickly asking you guys what you think about Robinhood for those of you guys out there that are using it. So hopefully you guys can give me some feedback on this particular platform, and everything is greatly appreciated. And if you guys want to talk to me further, my Instagram link is down below in my description. @StriveSmart is my username. I respond to all the messages on there, and I love connecting with you guys on there. So feel free to just shoot me a DM, drop a comment, let me know how it is, and thank you guys. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video for the top stocks we're watching to end off July in 2018. Hopefully everybody out there is having a great weekend, being productive, crushing your goals. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.